Welcome back. Let's turn our attention to the auto space. And in the backdrop of the Bharat Mobility Expo, Parikshit caught up with the MD of Ashok Leyland, Mr. Shenu Agarwal, who introduced the company's latest launch and an electric port terminal tractor that is still in the pipeline. Let's listen in what he had to say.
We are launching this Saathi diesel. We have been saying that for last 2 years we have been saying that we will come into the entry-level LCV segment, and this is our first offering. Now, when we looked at this market very closely, we realized that the products that are available are actually, they have a lot of compromises. And I think these products were conceived about 20 years ago, and India and the Indian customers were very different then. You know, now the customers are very aspirational and they really don't like to make compromises. So we picked that idea and we said, okay, can we design a completely no compromise product, you know, but at a good price, because price is important for entry level. So we came up with that idea and now we have created Saathi.
Can you show us around?
Yeah.
What this vehicle has to offer, sir? Please come.
See, when it comes to when it comes to power and torque, we are giving.
You can even come to the driver's seat here.
Yes.
Please, sir.
We have given double the power and torque on this. When it comes to loading area, we have given 25% more loading area. When it comes to, again, cabin space, we have given 20% more cabin space. So basically the idea was, whether it is power, torque, comfort, loading area, payload, you know, all the characteristics of product, can we give a very different offering, a very upgraded offering.
What's the price competition? How is it priced compared to others?
A price we have been able to keep very competitive. Of course, this is the initial price, but the price would be 6.5 lakhs for this variant.
Okay. And how many volumes are you expecting? What kind of market share in this segment with this?
See, we launched Dost and Bada Dost about 10, 11 years ago, right? And we have already achieved 20% market share in that 2 to 3.5 ton segment. And we are number 2 player now. So now that gives us confidence that if we get into other segments of LCV, we can replicate that success. So this is a large enough market. The market is about 200,000 units per year. So even if we get 20% over next few years, that would be considerable volume for us.
20% in the LCV market. Is that what you're talking about? Okay. Now show us this vehicle. This is looks like a battery vehicle, battery energy vehicle.
It is. This one is an EV actually, and this is a very.
Why did you get onto it, sir? All right, Shenu Agarwal showing us a very interesting vehicle here at the Ashok Leyland stall. So, yeah, sir, tell us about this.
So this is a very unique product. As you can see, the cabin is very different. You will not see this kind of a product in India. Right, so when we were looking at EV adoption in the country, we found that in the port terminal segment, you know, this is going to be really very popular.
Okay.
And the reason is that in port terminal, the tractors or the trucks, they operate in a very confined area.
Right.
Yeah. They operate in a very confined area, and therefore this whole issue of charging infrastructure is not very valid there.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we create a real port terminal tractor, which is electric, for this application, we think that it will create a lot of adoption of EV. So that is the whole concept behind this. But
So it's a port terminal tractor, and this is an electric vehicle.
It is an electric vehicle. It's a port terminal electric vehicle. It's first of its kind in India. And we think that, you know, when we look deeper into this market, we realize that it's not only not just creating an electric tractor, but we have to create a tractor which is very well suited for the market.
Okay, is it?
If you look at this cabin.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Yeah.
Akhilesh, if you can show us this.
Yes, if you look at this cabin, you can see that from the seat. You can get a very 360-degree view of the whole thing, right? Because if you are moving in very congested areas, you need to look all around, right? And therefore, this size of a cabin with windows all around, you know, then you can really move it very well.
Okay, so
and
this is yet to. And what's the battery capacity? What's the battery?
So battery can be changed, you know, according to the needs, but it can go like between 80 and 300 kilometers, whatever is required for specific ports.
And cost?
So very customizable for anything. We have not launched it, so we don't have a cost right now, but we would be launching it in the next 6 to 9 months. Okay. And then, but yeah, we will price it very competitively. The problem is not the price. The thing is that we want to actually have TCO parity with diesel with this truck, right? So if we achieve that TCO parity, then it can be a huge success.